All right, so we're catching up with members of the Jamaica's Reggae Girlz, defender Tianna Harris, forward Kayla McKenna, and goalkeeper Liya Brooks. And both Kayla and Liya, you were in the last World Cup.
Yeah.
And you were getting there. Mm-hmm. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Congratulations of what has happened thus far, and good luck as you move on. And not going to get them in trouble. But I looked at them and I said, some people kind of complaining about the red. How do you feel? I won't respond. Kayla, let me start with you, since you're at a distance here. So far, you guys have done really, really well. How do you feel about what has happened so far?
Yeah, I mean, so far so good. I think that we have a really high standard to maintain based off of what we accomplished in the last World Cup. And so I think going into this cycle, we've just been really focused on meeting that standard and surpassing it. And I think we're on the right track so far. We still have work to do. We still have some games to win, but we started strong. So.
Yep. Liya, how does the journey feel as opposed to the last journey? How does this one feel so far?
I mean, new people, so that's always exciting and interesting. Like Tianna's here and just bringing more smiles to our faces. I think because it's been accomplished before, we're trying to do it again, and our focus hasn't changed. The goal hasn't changed in the last 4 years, but how we're going about it and how we're kind of looking at ourselves and working on ourselves is a little bit different.
Yeah. Tianna, why soccer?
You can say football.
Yeah. Why football in the first place, and how was the connection made to the Reggae Girlz?
I mean, football is a language spoken in so many different countries. If you play it, you know how much impact that has on everyone. And to me, the minute that I played, I picked up a ball. I kind of was connected with it, so I've just been running with it ever since. Now, as my connection with the Reggae Girlz, I guess it kind of just, it worked out the way it was supposed to work. You know, I was praying for it. Having an opportunity to represent your country on a higher scale is an honor. And, you know, it's just God's plan for me. So.
Who were you praying with when you got the call?
I was currently overseas. Well, I am currently overseas, but I was overseas as well in Europe. I was playing in Portugal. And I got my first call up in Trinidad. I don't even know how long ago that was now. I've just been running with it ever since. I came here. I got with the team, and it's been my home ever since.
Yep. Liya, there's this goalkeeper who keeps for Jamaica. I tease him because I'm a coach, and I call him Reggae Girlz. I call him Sunshine Girls. I was teasing him because I've always found it interesting that someone wants to play in a game that everyone use the foot, and that person wants to use the hand. Why are you not a sunshine girl? Why did you want to keep in a serious way? Why did you want to keep?
The short story is that I just didn't want to run anymore. The long story is that I felt more of a connection using my hands and being able to like speak from the back and kind of influence people. Because I think in my own personal life, I'm very influential and I love to communicate and I love to talk. So that position was made for me. I think I stand out more in a goalkeeper position than any other position that I used to play on the field. That just wasn't my calling.
Very humble, because goalkeepers work harder than most people in the world. I mean, they train longer than everybody else. How has it been for you so far?
It's been great. I mean, I love this team so much. I've been here for a few years now, and every single time I get to come back, it's such an honor. It's such a blessing. And I don't know, these girls make it really easy to step up every day and like do my job with a smile on my face.
How was your connection made to the Reggae Girlz?
Well, I didn't start playing competitively until I was 8, but growing up, my parents would kind of ship me here for the summer. And when I was 4, I went to like Hillel. My uncle used to coach there, and I ended up playing the game there. And I have my little Hillel Argentina shirt from when I was 4, and I don't know, since then I haven't really looked back.
Argentina shirt, so we could stop there. I'm a Brazilian, so we won't talk to her again. Kayla, tell me your story, please.
Yeah, prior to the 2019 World Cup, some of the coaches from Jamaica reached out to me about joining the team, and I couldn't let the opportunity pass me by. I have a lot of family here still, and my dad's side of the family is from here, so it just has meant so much to represent Jamaica and be able to be a part of something a lot bigger.
Where is your family from in Jamaica, and where were you when you got the call? As in club and stuff. I mean, I don't mean if you were in the bathroom.
Yeah. My family's based in Kingston.
Okay.
And I got the call when I was in college still at Duke University, in the U.S.
Same question to you all three. I'll start with you. Did you ever see this, that you're going to be in the World Cup representing Jamaica? And did you ever see this?
I mean, I prayed for it.
Which means you saw it.
Yeah, exactly. So I've always just had this prayer of being able to play in a World Cup. I think every player in their lifetime has had that type of dream. So for me, yes, but now it's just about making it happen.
I mean, I couldn't see it coming from like how old I was. I was pretty young, but as soon as it happened, I was like, oh, this is a dream turned reality, and I can't look back, and we have to qualify every time because this is the best.
Same question to you. Did you ever see this?
For me, it was something that when I was young, I didn't necessarily see it as something that was attainable. But I think now that we've done it and I've gotten a taste of it, now I just want more.
Yep. I said in a very serious way that one of the reasons I think the men didn't qualify was the same reason I thought they should have. Because that first round, everybody said, oh man, this is so easy. We're going to be in the World Cup from the first game. And maybe we didn't approach it with that seriousness. I think your first group could be considered a little bit easier than what you're going into. How do you feel about what you're going into?
I think we're prepared. I think it helps that they've already had the experience, and there's so many girls who have set the foundation for the future and us moving forward in the rounds. So I think our focus is the same. I think it's more so now about how we perform during this stage and our focus on that.
I mean, she said it perfectly. We come in, we prepare, we know what we're going into. We've played high-stake games before. This isn't anything that's new to us. So we kind of take it one step at a time and we play our game.
Yep. Kayla, tell me about Saturday. Guyana?
Yes, very important game for us. I think Guyana will be fighting to win the group as well. And so I think we're going into the game with the same mentality that we enter every game, that it's a must-win for us. And we're training like that, and we're going to show up like that on Saturday.
Yep. Liya, I'm going to ask you this one because everyone thinks you guys are the savior for us now because the boys didn't do it, so the girls will do it. Is that pressure or not necessarily so?
I mean, pressure creates diamonds, no?
Yep.
And I think that we're really up to the challenge. And if I could bet on anyone, I'd bet on us because we're the ones that we can get it done.
What a beautiful answer. I wish somebody did ask me that and I could answer like that. Lady, how much to go in? 5,000 for a grandstand?
On the wing.
And 2,000?
The grandstand wing.
On the grandstand. So only the grandstand will be open. Yeah. So 5,000 in the middle and 2,000 at the ends. All right. Well, I'll be on the field.
I'll be for you.
I'll be the only person in the bleachers. We are a hard country to please. Did you hear that before you came? And say, if you make a bad play, they're going to say, hey, come on for the field. Hey, you knew that. Yes. Have you had any of that? So why is she in the team?
I think Jamaica has supported the Reggae Girlz very well.
Yeah, man.
And we just hope that continues going forward, and we hope that everyone comes to support us on Saturday.
Yep. So on Saturday, 7 o'clock, full the stadium, please. And there's another reason they need to get to the World Cup, so I could get my third ball. All the names on it. I have 2 at home. So when they get to the World Cup and they fire me, I'm going to sell them. Millions. Teasing. God bless you all. Great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for choosing us, because I know you have options and you had options. So thank you so much for choosing us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not a predictor. Score Saturday.
What do you guys got?
Well, I got 0 for them.
Clean sheet for sure. Clean sheet for
We don't need any more. Beautiful. Well done. And again,
Thank you.
congrats and God bless you all.
Thank
Members of the Reggae Girlz football team, Forward Kayla McKenna, defender Tianna Harris, and the greatest goalkeeper in the history of football, Liya Brooks. Second edition of News in 5 is next. You must give me the ball after that. Soon come.
Reggae Girlz, you are lead every step by step. You don't win the match when them can't reach it. Cause them gone mad already and them can't reset. Them try qualify and them get reject. Jamaican colors and your latest trends. Top compliments the way your wardrobe blends. Real fashion statement, feel light and lens. Your fragrance are nice up the circumference. Woman, you're well dressed, done blessed, no say you conscious. All Reggae Girlz represent for your country. Extensions, lunges, squats and crunch.